Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is MOVA Foodies. In today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the best turmeric powder. So I have here my turmeric. I've just uprooted it from my farm. So just watch, I'll show you step by step. Turmeric has health benefits, which is so good for you. So I'm going to share with you the health benefits later on, but I finish washing it now. Here is my turmeric. I make sure that it's dry. As you can see, there's no water inside. This is the dehydrator I'm going to use. These are the baskets. You can sun dry it if you don't have dehydrator. So I'll make sure that I spread it across the segments. Don't overcrowd it. So I'm going to cover it now. I've already placed it in the basket. So I'll cover it now. I'm going to dehydrate it for 17 hours. Hello everyone. This is the dehydrated turmeric. As you can see, it's very dry. See how it is well dried. So I'm going to blend it now. First of all, I'll use this blender. Then I'll show you guys. So let me put it inside the blender. I intend using 2 blenders for it. Let me use this one because I found out that this turmeric is very strong. I didn't want to use it directly on my other blender. So I finished putting it inside. So let me blend it and show you guys. So I transferred from the other blender. It was not blending because the turmeric was very small. The quantity was very small. So I transferred it to this one. As you can see, the color is beautiful. I'm not finished. I'm still blending. So I'm going to show you guys the outcome of it. Hello guys, this is the outcome of the turmeric that I made. See how the color is so radiant. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I'm going to stir it. The color is fine. This is original turmeric without any color inside. This is huge. So I'm going to show you how to store it. Wow. This is the turmeric powder. You can use it for cosmetics too. If you want to use it as cosmetics, you don't put salt inside. As it is now, if you want to use it to cook, salt is a preservative. I want to use this little quantity as cosmetics. I want to put something inside to rub on my skin. I don't need to add salt to it. As it is now, I want to use this one to cook. Then I'll add a little salt, a pinch of salt, and stir it. Salt acts as preservative. And make sure that it's well dried. Hello everyone, I want to do the packaging now. I have turmeric powder container here, 100% natural. So you can use turmeric for so many things. You can add it to honey and rub on your skin. This is what I'm going to use this one for. You can add honey, aloe vera, and a pinch of turmeric and rub it on your skin. If you have wrinkles, it clears wrinkles too. So this other one, I'm going to put it in a separate container. You can add turmeric to roasted vegetable. You can add it to egg. You can use in soup. You can use in smoothie. As it is now, if you want to get the color of your orange, you are making orange juice, just take a pinch of turmeric and add it to your orange juice, a little, that is a pinch, so that I can give you the color. It acts as the base. So I'm going to add salt now. This is 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Salt acts as preservative, so I'm going to stir it very well. And another thing that makes this thing to clog is when you are cooking. If you are cooking, you have to open it this way, use teaspoon and take it out. There are some container that has small holes inside. When you open it, you see small holes. As the steam is coming out, you'll be putting it. This is example, this is a pot of rice or what, or soup. You now open it and put it inside here. As you're putting it this way, steam will enter inside and it will destroy the turmeric inside. So if you preserve it very well where there's no moisture, it doesn't have any problem. This one is 100% dry. So I'm going to package it very well now. As you can see, the color is beautiful, very, very. So I'll package it this way. So I'm going to put this one here. This one I want to use it for the body, the skin. You don't need to add salt into this one. So please subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting for? I have a lot of goodies for you guys. I want to make onions powder. I'll show you. Then I will make garlic and ginger powder, and I'm going to also make paprika. How to make paprika. So you don't need to buy. There are things you need to buy. It's not everything. So this one I'll show you, very easy. You can sun dry it. It will dry it under 5 days. So please subscribe to my channel. As I said, don't just click on the button. You'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you, my fans. You are too much. So this is how it is. As it is now, I can keep this for 2 to 3 years. Nothing wrong with it. So far it's dry. So make your own well dried. So how do you know that it's dried? If you are touching it, if you break it and it's broken, you will hear the sound pop, small. You touch it, it will be very firm, very strong. Then you break it. When it breaks, it cracks, and you will see the color of the turmeric inside or any other one. And it has to be very dry. So please subscribe to my channel. As I said, don't wait. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.